Simply Tash. Simply underscore Tash. Then, no, it's not underscore. Simply, tapos may dot sa gitna din sa dot ulit tapos Tash. What? Okay. Do what you say. Search me in TikTok. Then, you will see na face reveal! Face reveal. Bata pa ako guys. Then, no. Di na to. Di na to. Tingnan mo yung ito. Then guys, meron rin ako doon content, TikTok content. But hindi na ako nagti-TikTok content sa sa TikTok right now. Only in YouTube. It's a post. It's okay, ako nga nagtatagalog eh. Guys, I'm a Tagaloger. I'm gonna speak Indonesian. Oh wait, we say what is our role, right? I guess whispered, I hope I got married. Innocent. Oh? He's being suspicious. Wait, ano ka? Ano ka? Are you sure? Who's married? Ah! When I was 13, I had my first. You see her? I think I saw her knife. Guys, we still need the challenge. We were going to earn money hanggang sa 20k. And guys, you know guys na kagadami kong pera, bumibili agad ako. But I have to do this challenge and complete it. Okay? Remind me, Ate Luis. Oh, soon guys, he will not live in our house again. I'm in their house right now. Guys, want this pants? It's for free. I'm gonna have some tutorial in my shorts. But maybe soon because I'm kinda busy today. You're busy. Shush! Ano ka? I'm innocent. I'm real. Alam ko na rin kung sino Merl. Ako hindi. Yung isa. Bro, bakit pa ako lumapit sa kanya? Wait, Ate Luis. May Philippines ka ba rin viewers? Ako ba? Nakita mo meron? Nice. Three of you left. The merge is still, no. Huh? 5 minutes? Ang bilis. Guys, I think this is... Oh! Wrong! Ha? Opo. Siyempre. Gonna fart. Joke. That's a joke! Oh my gosh! Guys. Hindi ako muutol. What are you? I'm innocent. Guys, I hope you don't search my TikTok out. I just saved your life. Save my life? Napatay ka?